If your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset isn't sounding as sharp as it should, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and most effective way to refresh and update its drivers so you get the best audio performance possible. This is a quick and simple guide, so stick with me until the end and you'll have your headset running like brand new. Let's get started. First, we need to open the device manager. Just press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type dvmgmt.msc and hit enter. This instantly pulls up all hardware connected to your PC. Next, scroll down and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Here, look for anything labeled HyperX Virtual Surround Sound or any entry that includes HyperX. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose Uninstall Device. When Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and approve it. Don't worry, this won't break your headset. We're simply removing the old driver so Windows can reinstall a clean one. Now for the refresh. Unplug your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless dongle or disconnect the headset and then restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, plug the dongle back in. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct driver in the background. This alone fixes most audio glitches, distortion, and crackling issues. There's also an optional step you can take to boost audio quality even further. If you want the best possible performance, head over to the official Realtek website and download the latest HD audio codec that matches your version of Windows. Run the installer, let it finish, and restart your PC one more time. This ensures you're running the newest Realtek audio layer, which can improve clarity and compatibility. Once everything is updated, reconnect your headset and play a song or a video. You should hear clear, smooth audio with no dropouts or weird noises. If the sound quality has improved, congratulations, your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless is successfully refreshed and updated. And that's it. A super easy way to fix drivers, refresh your audio, and get your headset performing like it should. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover any other device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.